Good morning, blessed saints of God, and happy walk with Jesus today toward New Jerusalem. We continue reading Our Greatest Need. Count your blessings. Let us look to the monumental pillars, reminders of what the Lord has done to comfort us and to save us. Let us keep fresh in our memory all the tender mercies that God has shown us, the tears He has wiped away, the pains He has soothed, the anxieties removed, the fears dispelled, our wants supplied, the blessings bestowed, thus strengthening ourselves for all that is before us through the remainder of our pilgrimage. Let us keep a diary, and when the Lord gives us an interesting experience, an answer to a prayer, let us write them down, as Samuel did when the armies of Israel won a victory over the Philistines. He set up a monument of thankfulness. Brothers and sisters, where are the monuments by which you keep in view the love and goodness of God? Strive to remember every day the help that the Lord has given you in the past, so that we may help others. We may be able to share our testimonies and keep a diary of blessings. When we are hedged about by adverse circumstances, surrounded by difficulties, which it seems impossible for us to surmount, we are not to murmur, but to remember the past loving kindness of the Lord. This will keep our minds from being clouded by the shadow of unbelief. In the hour of trial, can we not pray that God will give us His Holy Spirit to bring to our minds His many manifestations of power in our behalf? Lord, help me remember all the blessings that You've given me so I will not be fearful. Can we not believe that He is as willing to help us as in former occasions He has helped us? And brethren and sisters, we must accept our trials with joy. Beloved, think it not strange concerning the fiery trial which is to try you, but rejoice, inasmuch as you are partakers of Christ's sufferings, that when His glory shall be revealed, ye may be glad also with exceeding joy. 1 Peter chapter 4, verses 12 and 13. Our minds and hearts may be so filled with His love that we should account affliction as all joy, because we shall know that the trial of our faith is more precious than gold, and that these trials will be found unto joy and glory at the appearing of Jesus. We do not see the glory of trials now, but we shall understand it when Christ comes, and every trial that has been borne with patience will be rewarded. Blessed day with Jesus, saints of God.